We have been a partner or distributor of QAD for as long as more than 20 years.
Desde hace 24 años.
25 years partner.
Almost 30 years.
Next year it will be 30 years.
We made this partnership with QAD because we found in QAD the complete solution, adaptive and agile solution, manufacturing companies, the solution who fits with the needs of our markets.
We believe in QAD, we love the functionalities in QAD, and we believe in the standards in QAD. And now with the new era, right, we are moving to cloud, and we believe in the new standard as well.
QAD has good quality, good price, and also good 24/7 global service. Overall, QAD is easy to run and easy to pass on knowledge to our customers.
The flexibility of the software and the way how QAD communicates with the partner.
QAD is a great company with strong values, strong strategy. QAD wants to provide a good customer experience.
We started with, I guess, 2 people, and now we are around 20.
QAD is the lion's share of our business. We have excelled at sales of cloud in our time with selling QAD. It's key to our success.
We are growing more than 5% every year.
You understand is that have a large impact on our business and our revenue. It's allow us to meet our business goals.
Alrededor del 60% de la operación de Tecnover proviene de actividades relacionadas con QAD.
The only product that we sell is QAD. Every year we grow almost double in sales and in people. And we have been growing in different countries and with different offices. If you work with QAD, I think that you can expect to growth every single year.
QAD has been a great partner to work with. It's the breadth of their offerings that really make them a difference maker. They adapt to their customer needs.
But QAD is an excellent partner to work with, in providing us with all the tools we need to gain skills and expertise in business processes as well as the technical aspects of the products.
QAD is not only a developer, QAD is a real partner for us.
Very close and very friendly, and it gives you freedom to build up your business on your local market, to focus on your local positive advantages.
All solutions that QAD offers cover a lot of our customers' interests. So it's easy to sell and easy to maintain, and it's easy to get revenue from QAD. For me, working with QAD, it's like working with a family. It's a very, everyone, it's open to hear your thoughts and your offers and everything. So it's a really nice place to work.